sing. Light are going to start.
Yeah. Sing.
Sing what?
No.
We have to put play.
Start.
Let me go here.
Can we sing acapella?
You're gonna put play.
Yo, Annabelle, we can sing acapella.
Speak something or no? We can't sing it.
No, you copy and paste
Oh, Canada? Oh, okay.
Copy and paste the URL.
Okay, we have to be in respect of the national anthem.
Okay, little. Okay.
We're gonna dance too. Yeah, right.
Acapella.
Come on, light up.
Here.
Oh.
No, we have to do we see the rise, the true north, strong and free. From far and wide, oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. God's deep land, glorious and free. Oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Yeah, we picked up on you.
Oh, sorry.
It's behind there.
Guys! Guys!
We are starting now, okay? Please listen for 3 minutes, okay? Stop eating. We are here today to celebrate the appreciation, to say thank you our teachers, to encourage each of everyone other. This semester from math class, 16 students are going to credit. From English class, 10 students. Okay, now from math class, I invite Shahila to say something about the math teacher. Please come forward.
I am here to say special thanks to Maria to be a teacher and to be a very friendly and approachable teacher. That makes not only math easy, that makes our time and our life easy.
Thank you, Maria.
Special thanks to you.
So now, go to the flower and the give back. Yeah.
Thank you guys.
See, being a teacher. Not that easy.
Okay, from now, I invite. Now I invite Nicole to say something about Annabelle, and then follow the flowers and then give back.
Well, Miss Annabelle, it's not going to be short. It's going to be a little long. I met Miss Annabelle 2 months ago in Brampton. I registered and we had an instant connection. And I had to leave Brampton to come here because I think she was wonderful. And I didn't regret it because I seen all her past students come in here for advice and she doesn't turn them down. So, maybe thank you.
Yeah, I know. I don't care. I don't want to do that. I want to do it. I'll do it later. I'll do it later.
That's right.
Okay, yes, are you even better?
I met you in September, and I know you were the best teacher.
Amen.
No.
Amen.
But for me, I can say
Yeah.
is she's the only one I met so far.
Yes.
Me too.
And you've been so patient with us.
Yes.
Especially people like who want to punch up themselves.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
Awesome.
I love both of them. Both of them. A talkative person.
People, she's really nice.
Oh.
I invite
Yo, Latoya, my birthday coming up, by the way.
both of them for English and math, so she's going to say something.
Hi everyone.
Ah.
I'm so thankful for Maria and Annabelle. I don't know how to say it, and I don't know how to appreciate them. They are so good, especially like me.
With your words.
Annabelle, I don't want to go to credit, right? Every day I'm delayed. You say you have to go. You have to go, and you just push me. I never thought I can be good like this in English, and I hate math. Trust me. Because I want to be a nurse, and because of the math, I keep on going back.
Yeah.
But when I came here, Maria, may God bless you, Annabelle, may God bless you. The patient, you know, she will teach me that thing. I'll come back and ask the same thing. She never came back. She never came back. And we go, we are ready, we come, we keep on coming. I tell people about her, they keep on coming. And they always have the patience. If we have all teachers like this, I don't think we will struggle.
Yep.
Let me say a few words about both of them. These beautiful, gorgeous ladies are my teachers, my supervisor, my friends, my mentors. I learned from them a lot, still to learn more. They have many qualities, but I like the most the passion on teaching, compassion on helping. Considering situation my supervisor has been going through, I can give a speech for half an hour about them, no problem. But I stop now with this. I stop now with this. In my language, there is a proverb saying, "Eluttarivittavan iraivanaavan, ennum elutthum kannagum," which means the teacher is a God. Something teach you, you learn from them. And then the math is two eyes, because one language, one is math. So both are my eyes. So give them a big round of applause. Okay, next I would like to say about students, about you. So you have done a wonderful job, and I thank you. You really appreciate. Because maybe you know me, everybody know me now, but I really appreciate to support this event, to contribute this event. Many people here contribute money and food. I special thank you for you. So that's why I decide do something back to you, because you know we really appreciate. Guys, listen to me this one. I was here before. Listen to me this. On the credit you go, you don't get appreciation. You get only credit. Here you get encouragement, support, everything. So you don't get the credit from here. You get support and then encouragement, especially from these two marvelous people. So what I thought, so in this box, okay, whoever contribute food and money, unfortunately I am sorry, I didn't put the name who didn't even pay. So that's okay. I put all the names here, okay? So Maria going to take one of their names. So whoever win, he going to get one of these. Hello, you. Close your eyes. Read the name. You can read it.
Okay, I don't have my glasses.
She didn't this class. Just say it.
Okay.
Teachers. She's not here.
Another one, let's take another one.
Shake it up.
Sarah.
Oh.
You're not Sarah.
Sarah.
Sarah. Come on, come on, come on.
Very good.
What is it? I want to know what it is.
Open it up now.
Okay, dear students, this is going to be a very important message to you. You're going to be a doctors, engineers, teachers in the future, right? Politicians, whatever it will be. But please, I humbly ask, please do not forget about people out there. No food. No food. That's what I decide. Whatever we can do, $1 a day of coffee money will make big difference. That's what I have. 2 bags of food bag. These 2 bags within your collection. These 2 bags are going to food bag. Whenever the Christmas time comes, these 2 bags represent LBS Math and English class. Go to the food bag.
Very good. Very good.
So we should thank God for all the blessing we are receiving and the food we are about to eat. Once again, anyone who didn't contribute, you can still contribute now.
That's too late to say, bro.
That money still goes.
Yeah, okay.
We put it in the food bag. So that's the plan. Okay. So all the collection and the expenses, I will be posting it next week, either as a smart board or the notice board, both classes. Okay. Or you can come and ask teachers, hey, how much money we collect? What is the expenses? You can ask them. So I will be leaving them. You won't see me anymore. Anyway, so at the end we have variety of delicious food from delicious food. Welcome. So delicious food here. We have halal pizza, vegetarian pizza. We have fried rice. So anybody bring your traditional food, just tell them what you brought. So how delicious that. So just to sell it. So just to tell them what to do it. And then thank you very much for.
Thank you.